Honorable Law Minister, Member Pakistan Bar Councils, dignitaries, members of the legal fraternity, and esteemed guests, Assalamu alaikum. It's a matter of great honor for me to represent Supreme Court Bar Association at this dignitarious forum. The Supreme Court is an institution, is not merely a professional body, it is a guardian of democratic values. The Supreme Court Bar Association in particular and the legal community of Pakistan in general has always stood at the forefront of the struggle for constitutional supremacy, rule of law, and the protection of fundamental rights. Democracy is not merely an electoral exercise, it is a complete constitutional order, free election, judicial independence, rule of law, and constitutional supremacy together form the foundation of the democratic state. Madam Asma Jahangir was a name of strength and symbol. She resisted to every unconstitutional thing, anything which came against the human rights or against the Constitution. She played a role model and stood as a pillar. She was the president of Supreme Court Bar Association, and she contributed a lot for the Supreme Court Bar Association as well. Over time, Pakistan's constitutional journey has repeatedly been disrupted. Weakening of democratic institutions and interference by non-elected forces have posed serious challenges. At every such moment, the legal fraternity faced a defining question. Should it surrender before unconstitutional power or stand firm in defense of constitutional principles? From the perspective of the Supreme Court Bar Association, we have always historically chosen resistance over submission, making sacrifices to protect constitutional order. Today, Pakistan faces complex challenges, judicial reform, access to justice, case backlog, accountability, and institutional back requires serious and thoughtful engagement. These issues cannot be resolved through emotional or reaction responses. They demand sustained constitutional dialogue, institutional respect, and long-term commitment. The Supreme Court Bar Association has always believed that dialogue and communalism as the guarantee of state stability. The future places a heavy responsibility on lawyers. Lawyers must act as guardian of constitutional and legal values. Constitutional awareness must be passed on to the younger generation so as to ensure the judicial independence, rule of law, and constitutional supremacy remain non-negotiable principles. On behalf of the Supreme Court Bar Association of Pakistan, I want to reaffirm that this association has and shall always stand for democracy, constitutional continuity, and supreme judicial independence and the rule of law. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.